Hashbrowns or Rösti is a family favorite, and it's simple and with the help of a KitchenAid or any kitchen machine quite fast to make. As the kids love potatoes and in that variation eat a lot, you need 1 kilogram of potatoes for 4 person. Salt, half a cup of flour, hard cheese like parmesan mixed with emmentaler cheese, and pepper and herbs if you want to. Into the pan it takes about 15 minutes to finish. Serve with vegetable curds or tomato sauce or even cream cheese. Add flour, parmesan, emmentaler and egg. Then grind the potatoes. 1 or 2 carrots or a little bit of celery can also add a little something to the flavor. But don't use vegetables with a lot of water, as you then would have trouble to brown the hash browns in the pan. After that, give it a good stir, as you want all ingredients mixed up really well. Then add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of high smokepoint oil to the pan, as the cheese helps here with its fat content and you don't want to have soggy hash browns. Heat up the pan, then add the potato mix into the pan. Salt the potatoes after they are in the pan, as you want to keep the moisture in the potatoes. I use 2 pans here and pat the mixture down. After 5 minutes, turn the potato mixture around and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. If both sides are golden brown, the meal should be ready. I always go for high heat, as the pan loses a lot of heat, and after turning I switch to medium high. In the meantime, make a vegetable curd, for example, using peppers, curds, salt, garlic and grainy fresh cheese, and enjoy. If you liked that video and liked what you see and have any comments, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you very much and see you next time.